Yes, just come again with the question. I'm not getting.
Ma'am, cathode contain negative ions, so ma'am, positive ion contained by whom, ma'am?
No, no, no. Just again, I'm coming up. Just wait. Let me rub it up. So what happens? I told you yesterday in the process of electrolysis. Two electrodes are there. The solution is called, what is the solution called? Electrolyte. Do you remember? The solution present is called the electrolyte. Two electrodes are there. One is negative electrode, one is positive. Because this positive terminal of the electrode is connected towards the positive end of the battery and the negative terminal of the battery is connected towards the negative this electrode. So, जिसके साथ the to which end the battery, the negative side of the battery will be connected, that will become a cathode, that is the negative, and from of the battery तो positive जो terminal है battery का, that will be connected to that electrode, that will become the anode. This part is clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, clear,
So
ma'am.
what will happen? We are taking a solution, good conductor of electricity. Good conductor means it will be able to dissociate into respective positive and negative ions. Okay, suppose I'm having, I told you that NaCl, sodium chloride is there in the solution. Namak solution. We have taken a sodium chloride solution, common salt solution. So what will happen? When electricity will start to flow, what will happen? This NaCl will get broken down into, क्या होगा बताओ?
Na
Na
plus Cl minus.
Cl minus, clear?
Cl
Clear?
minus.
Yes. So why Na
Yes, ma'am.
plus and Cl minus? Because Na has released one electron. Okay, and chlorine has taken one electron. So chlorine is having one electron in excess and sodium is lacking one electron. That is Na positive, one extra positive charge for sodium, one extra negative charge for chlorine. Is it clear? This
Yes,
Yes,
positive
ma'am.
ma'am.
this positive ion which get attracted towards the cathode, they are called cations. Cations. Okay, clear? And this negatively charged ion which gets attracted towards a positively charged electrode, they are called, what is called? They are called
Anions.
Anions.
anions. Clear? So in this solution we are having Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, so many. Jitne how much amount of NaCl is there, all will get dissociated, and all these Na positive ions will get attracted towards the surface of the negatively charged electrode. Now it's clear again. So what will happen? There will be a
Yes,
deposition
ma'am,
of this
clear.
metal. This metal will get deposited on the surface of the cathode. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will happen if this in place of this electrode, means as an electrode, the cathode, I can make it into a statue. I can dip a statue inside the electrolyte. I can dip a spoon in the electrolyte as the cathode. So what will happen? That I am dipping and connecting with the negative terminal of the battery, that will get electroplated. By electrolysis, the metal will get deposited on the surface of the cathode. Whatever we can take the cathode as any shape of the object, any object, a toy car also, it will have a metallic plating. Is it clear? So that process is called electroplating. And on the other hand, what will happen? This chlorine are minus and anode is positively charged, that is anode. This electrode is lacking in electron and chlorine is having one extra electron with it. So it will get attracted towards the positively charged electrode, that is anode,
Yes, ma'am.
and chlorine will lose or give up one electron to this anode and itself will become chlorine gas. Two chlorine will just join together and they will form the chlorine gas and it will be liberated out through anode. I think it's clear now. Hana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we can continue. Okay, yes, who was continuing? Please do read now.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, yes,
Can
Pratyush.
I read?
Pratyush will start, again you are going to read the next part. Okay, yes, Pratyush.
Application of chemical effects of electric current. Electroplating. Electroplating is a process in which layer of metal is deposited on another material with the help of electricity. Electroplating is used in many industries for depositing a layer of metal with desired characteristics on another metal. Different metals used for electroplating are nickel, copper, gold, silver, tin, brass, zinc, chromium, and platinum.
Okay, so these are the few metals with that we are using for electroplating because these are having good shine. They are costlier, they could give a good appearance, all these metals. Okay, that is why we used to do plating with the help of these
Ma'am, chromium
elements.
is costly.
Chromium is costly, platinum is also costly, you know, gold. Highest will be that
Yes,
chromium,
ma'am.
platinum, gold, and then they will come in the lower order. But these are the costliest and have a good shine, है ना? Texture, that shine after get electroplated, that will
Yes,
be,
ma'am.
that is why these metals are taken for the electroplating. Okay, clear? So is it clear what is electroplating? It is electroplating
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
process by which a layer of metal is deposited on the surface of any other material. It may be a metal, it may not be a metal. We want to give it a uniform coating over it. So what will happen? If you want to make a gold chain, we need a huge amount of gold. But if you make a silver chain and we just dip it in this electrolyte, and what will happen? A thin layer of gold will get deposited on the surface of the silver chain, then it will be much less costlier. So it will be
Yes, ma'am.
affordable for many people. Okay, sometimes it is very good for handy because उतना gold अगर लेंगे, that will be chances of getting some other thing. It may be that stolen or anything जो भी है. When you are traveling, you can use those electroplated elements. You know that you have seen your sister mother wearing imitations, है ना? Some gold tinge are there जो शादी वादी में पहनते. You have seen they are not actually, some of them are not actually gold, but they are heavy
Yes,
metals,
ma'am.
and they are having a yellow coating. Most of you have seen because you are, whenever you are going to a party and you are wearing heavy dresses, and you can see your relatives, mostly the females, they wear these electroplated materials, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
पहनते हैं ना? Okay, okay. Now continue. Process of electroplating. Now already I have discussed. Now we are going to discuss or read it out. What is the process? Okay. Any doubt you will ask after the reading part. Okay, Pratyush.
A process of electroplating. In order to conduct electroplating, right electrodes and electrolytes must be chosen so that metal can deposit over a material.
So just
For
one
yes,
thing. So one thing, what is the meaning of this statement? That right type of electrolyte should be used so that the metal get deposited. Suppose that I want to plate this cathode with the help of gold plating. So I will take the anode as gold, but in the same time at the solution there should be a salt. There should be a salt of gold. Okay, so that in the solution, that salt of gold means, you know what is the name, scientific name of gold? It is aurum, AURUM. So gold का signature क्या, sorry, symbol क्या होगा? AU.
Yes, ma'am.
AU,
You know silver का symbol क्या है? AG, argentinum. I think I
Argentina.
have told you when I have told you teach about the metals. So this, so what will happen? We should have a electrolyte that will have a salt of gold. If you want to plate it with silver, the electrolyte should have a salt of silver. That is, when they get dissociated, when we start to pass electricity, we are going to get positive silver ions or positive gold ions. Okay, so the metal with which we want to coat it, that should be the anode. The metal with which we want to coat or we want to electroplate, that should be the anode, and the solution will also have a salt of that metal. Is it clear? But if it is clear, please do write down. Again, it's not, again I'm telling, if I want to coat any metal on the surface of the cathode means any object that we are taking as cathode, what we'll do, we will take that metal as a anode, and the solution, that is the electrolyte, should have the salt of that metal. Is it clear?
ma'am, it should have a
Yes,
nitrate
ma'am.
solution.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
example, I'm giving you, I want to coat with silver. So that anode will be a silver, pure strip of silver, a rod of silver. So, and in the solution, so that is Ag, that is the nitrate. We can take a salt of the nitrate of the silver, argentinum AgNO3. So what happened when we just pass electric current? this AgNO3 will get dissociated into Ag plus and NO3 minus. This Ag plus that is present in the solution, that will be present in the solution, that will move on to the cathode and get deposited, and equal amount of Ag plus will get released from this anode. Anode se wo that will come out and again come to the solution, because in this process the amount of positive and negative charge in the electrolyte should be same. So again I am telling what will happen. Suppose we want to coat it with silver. We have taken silver as an anode and the solution is having a salt, silver nitrate. What will happen when we start to pass electric current? Silver nitrate will get dissociated into Ag plus NO3 minus, and this silver will start to get attracted towards the cathode. Cathode is negative, it will get deposited on the surface of the cathode, and equal number of this Ag atom will get released from the anode. So the cycle will go on like this, and this it will just go on, and the time when we see that yes, all the material that I want to electroplate has been electroplated evenly, then we will stop the current and we will get the electroplated substance. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
now read.
Yes, ma'am.